Around the world. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Chad, sorry man. Little technical issue here with Keegan. Struggled to reboot him.
The batteries are flat, guys.
He struggled to reboot Keegan. Just had to clean up his drives. Chad, obviously big day. This week has been a little bit up and down when it comes to the markets, but obviously big one today that everyone is expecting to be a big one, and we're gonna jump straight into the charts real quick here. Sorry for the late start, to apologize, but very, very simple here today, guys. Unemployment, non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, nothing else really matters. I think, Keegs, I don't know if you want to agree with me, but I think the market is going to either wait for that, or it's going to give that last push into any one direction, and then obviously once the numbers come out. But yeah, Chad, I think we're going to focus on DXY, gold, That is the big one. And then equities. So we're quickly going to look at yesterday's daily candle closure. Yesterday we talked about it. We were bearish. We pushed down. We retested that key level, 103.63. And it seems like for today, this is going to be your range, Chad. 104.098 to 103.63. So this is going to be the majority of your range. And I think today with NFP, either one of these ranges are going to be broken through. So seems like we're in the middle here somewhere, but I promise you, if this number surprises to the upside or to the downside, you're going to see some continuation moves today. So with that being said, I'm not bearish today. I'm leaning towards the bull side purely due to the fact that we took out yesterday's high. But due to the fact that it is NFP and it could be a very, very volatile event, I'm going to go neutral on the day. Just to keep an open mind, just to be ready for anything that can come through the cracks. So weekly S1, daily pivot down here. This is a key level for me going into the session. And then obviously we've got the weekly pivot here. So I'm thinking they're going to keep it in this range, hopefully. And then you're going to see a breakout to either one of these sides. So that is DXY for me. US 30, let's quickly look at the daily. What did the daily do yesterday? So yesterday continuing bearish, massive sell-off here from 39.108. There's that key level we mentioned. Retested this previous breakout zone, taking out a previous daily high, coming all the way down. So this is quite an interesting level right here, Chad, because look left with me, you can see a lot of reaction off that level. And this was basically 4 days of decline. So are they going to continue with this thing lower, or are we going to start bouncing? So very simple for me, up until NFP. These are the two ranges that you need to monitor. Sells below here, very simple, and then buys above here. I almost want to say I wouldn't touch anything within this range. I think this range is going to chop a lot of guys and also going to frustrate a lot of guys. So Chad, there's your two levels. Screenshot that, map that out on your chart, and focus on only those two levels that we've got going on there. Then overnight Asia, Keys, I don't know what happened overnight during Asia, but this is your Asia range, very tight. 80 is still firmly bearish. So we're going to need to see what we do here at the open. 6 minutes left. And if we're going to trade lower before NFP, something like this, and we start diverging on the accumulation distribution, I think we could get a bounce here. Otherwise, what's going to happen is we're going to start drifting higher, and you're going to start seeing some sellers coming in at this level, 38.791. Nasdaq, real quick before we head over to Keegs. Daily time frame, there was that key level 18.289, and then we've got a key level down here 17.961. So very simple for Nasdaq today. That's almost your pivot for the session. So monitor that level, and then the 5 minute, actually bearish to neutral, but again it is NFP. It could become very choppy. So Asia highs up here, Asia lows down here, and 80 is still firmly bearish. But the thing is, how much further can we go on this? I don't know, but I think keep an open mind. If you take any trades this morning, do not try and swing it. Things are going to get choppy, are going to get volatile before NFP. Keeks, over to you, my brother.
Oh, Chad. All right. DXY, guys, let's run this. We are also, I think, again with Chris, I basically gave a lot of guys my answer yesterday already for today of what I'm expecting DXY to do, but also NFP. So honestly, markets really just pricing a lot of stuff in for the day. I said to you guys, if anything, we traded down, we broke through. Yeah, we are in that range. When you start looking at this as the end of the week, your candles are starting to look like that now. So you've still got a lot of room, almost both ways, with this almost ab roller right now on a weekly. So you want to keep that one in mind. You literally are in a 50-50 position. We always talk about this break. So again, you've got obviously the key level above you, which can be held as resistance. So you got that 50-50 shot of running this thing up, and you got the key level right underneath you. So as I say, you really are in no man's land right here now with DXY. So obviously fundamentally is what I'm going to run off with today. So again, obviously that's a big one, 2:30. So the thing we can really see moving into the session is obviously trading things back now. You can, from your original breakaway point before we started consolidating down, we've traded back up where we are starting to hit a bit of momentum again now. So when we look at this on the lower time frames, you'll see basically trading up all the way back above the weekly supply. Pretty much exactly what we said yesterday, actually, to almost get to this weekly pivot and then basically hold around. Yeah. So I wouldn't be surprised seeing this being that one-way momentum. See that consolidation, maybe even a quick wick to the top side to go get that weekly pivot, and then breaking back into the Asia range. Once you're back in the Asia range, honestly, I don't know if we there's a possibility again of going for the Asia lows, but I personally think if we even break lower, we might actually just kind of get to the middle of the range and consolidate until NFP, obviously, because it's a lot earlier now. That hour extra doesn't really give the charts time. Like, I'd even say you've probably got until 12 o'clock of, if you want to say, clear momentum before the charts are basically just going to start consolidating for the news event, especially if it's a dollar pair. So DXY, as I said, I'm going to watch this for that little wick out for the day, the high of the day, and then trade it back into the range. But again, very, very neutral position. You are literally in a 50-50 territory over there. Then over to NAS. We were looking at NAS yesterday. Very, very interesting one, actually, funny enough. So there's two ways of looking at this, guys. You had this massive sell-off. But when the first thing I want you guys to take note of is when this candle opened yesterday, we literally traded, news came out, and we did all of this. Then at the end of the New York session, we did this. So I don't know if you guys looked at gold, same thing. If you guys were holding gold, that would have been a perfect TP yesterday, and then a massive sell-off. And again, what did I say to you guys? If we were correct with what we said about NFP, this is going to be the market's pricing in everything for this morning. So personally, that's where my thoughts come in with this NAS over here. So over to the 4 hour, again, having a move like this, and there's no reason to have the move like that, I don't trust it. I never trust these things where there's not a reason for why it happened. So on the 15 minutes, you can now see, obviously, you got your daily pivot and EQ very, very high upwards to trade up to. But your Asia range nice and small down here, holding the lows of yesterday. So again, trade all the way up. Either this thing can already start running to this key level, holding there, and just consolidate a bit there until news. Otherwise, we can trade up, get it, go back to the Asia range, and just consolidate there until news comes out. But I am more bullish on the indices for the day. So we want to see that pullback. Again, no reason for this sell-off here yesterday. So we want to see us retrace that. Then over the US study, almost the same thing. Obviously, indices having the massive sell-off. We are at this daily key level. So the first thing I always say to you guys, if this breaks, you have to have the retest. So first thing, either way, we want to be trading back up for that key level. Whether it's to find that sell-off afterwards. But again, we are more bullish because of this, yeah. So if we can start going up to this key level, I'll probably start looking to either see what reactions we have there, if it does reject, or if we can break through, look and hold the support, and then trade all the way back up. Obviously, holding this daily pivot will be crucial, and then trading all the way back up to fill that volume over there. But that is pretty much it. So again, I am more on the bullish side of indices, even though we had a big sell-off yesterday.
Thanks, Keeks. Gold chat. Yesterday we mentioned that we are bullish, but we were looking for those sells, and we said 2300 here. You can still see that little eye. I told you guys that is a monthly R1 level, and I said at one stage I expect him to correct a lot of this move to the upside, and very, very tricky yesterday. I wasn't able to trade yesterday afternoon, but you can clearly see all of this divergence on the accumulation distribution as price was making higher highs on price. The 80 was still pointing to the downside, so that was your first key that things could start reversing. That reversal only coming very late last night, 9 o'clock, then started selling off from there. And just looking at the daily, already breaking yesterday's low, and looking at the accumulation distribution, very massive Asia range. I just want to see what Kicks, did anything happen overnight, because there's a massive move during Asia.
Not that I know of.
So for me, very simple with gold. Going into gold today, we've got key levels on the daily all the way down here. That is technically your breakout level on a daily that we haven't retested. But then again, we've already traded through the weekly R1. We are now at the weekly R2. So I'm going to say if we trade lower, I'm going to start looking for some support at the weekly R1. Otherwise, what's going to happen is this weekly R2 becomes a pivot level that we can start looking to trade. But again, we first need to see what the accumulation distribution does. And then actually very simple, the safer one is going to be Asia highs and the daily pivot. That's going to be your key. That's the neutral point for the day. But at this stage, massive Asia ranges, making it almost untradeable at this stage. But Keeks, gold for you, my brother.
Alright, guys. So let's get into this over here. We can take these things away. Okay, so perfectly over here. Let's look here on the day. Again, I always say to you guys, you can't sell off until you have a reason to sell off. Obviously, you have that R1 over there, which we basically are rejecting off of perfectly at this point in time. On the 4 hour though, this is where it gets a little bit more interesting. We basically started trading down at our R2, but again, breaking down lower, but literally rejecting and coming all the way back up. So almost finding a little bit of support over here now. The big thing is I want to see what happens at this R2. So that's what we want to mark out here. Actually, let's just do this over here. Almost a flip zone for the day, we can call it. Let's just see there. Let's go over to the 30 minute. We can see where that lines up with, yeah. So, okay, well, the R2 still shows you on the 30 minute. So again, trading all the way back up. We'll see what reactions we're going to have off of this zone. If we start getting, again, that breakaway, we can see, yeah, we had that massive sell-off. The real big pump of volume came in. Do we trade back up now and fill it, as we always say? So does it start holding its rejection to trade back lower, or can we break above, hold its support, and go for these weak Asia highs? That's the first thing we want to take note of. But again, the big thing for me is when you start looking here on the lower time frames, you've also got your S1 over there for the day. So you already are, I wouldn't say quite extended, but I mean already literally what, 3 o'clock in the morning, and you're nearly at the S2 for the daily range. So that is quite a bit of an interesting one. But again, I want to really see over here, this 2283 was quite a crucial area. Obviously yesterday's EQ level as well. So there's quite a bit that happens at this level here. But I think right now, honestly, if we hold this S1, that can definitely be on our side for the day with gold. Again, simply looking to go long. So we just want to see what happens here. I want to see, do we get a nice break and close above? If we can hold that, already get long to go for the week Asia highs. Again, EQ daily pivot. But if we start breaking back down, I think honestly we're just going to trade right down to this, probably this 2277. And again, literally just consolidate till news comes out. Because there was already such a big pump of volume, I don't think you're actually going to get a lot of volume for the rest of this session until NFP comes in. I think the markets are just going to kind of try retrace the moves that they had, and then just park the bus a bit. So I am more bullish on gold, but again, I don't think we're going to get any clear moves this morning. Yeah.
All right, Chad. Hey. Hey. Hey, the boys. Chad. All right. So what I'm seeing here is there's a lot of headlines coming out of Japan, and yeah. Chad, how you guys doing? Are you guys ready for NFP?
Yo, bro.
How are you feeling?
My head hurts.
I had to force Keegan to stream. He was laying on the floor here on the pillow. Should have taken a photo.
Sucks getting older. Bro, I swear the body doesn't recover the way it used to. Today we grow or blow. That's it. Ed, guys, Ed's a witness. I was literally giving out free NFP signals last night.
Alright, Chad, markets are open. They've been open for the last 7 minutes. Let's just see big moves during Asia. I can't really do anything within these Asia ranges. But yeah, we're gonna see how we go about it here in this session. Just trying to see your yen pairs, massive moves. I think this decline yesterday. What time was this? Thursday, 8 o'clock. I think that's when those headlines started hitting yesterday. But again, nothing fundamentally changing what's happening in Japan. So all of that is just purely talk. So these moves can again rapidly be just reversed completely. If I'm very honest, looking at GJ, I quite like this level here. I think that was the same level as yesterday, yeah. Yesterday 191, but it just ran away. I don't know if you guys remember yesterday. No, was it yesterday? Sorry, Wednesday. We were looking at that level straight after the open, got the break, never retested, so I still actually have alerts set here, chat, so we're gonna see what yeah, there's a key level. So might look at something here. Also you can see how the 80 is diverging. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at this price creating lower lows. But look at the accumulation distribution. So that is showing me as price went lower, buys were loaded up. So I'm actually liking GJ quite a bit, Chad. Out of all the pairs, GJ honestly looks the cleanest for me. EJ also not that bad. There's the weekly pivot. 164 up here. But here we still have the Asia highs that we can use as an advantage point. So it gives us already 20 pips. So in and out. So GJ, I think we're going to focus here on GJ. And then gold, weekly R2. We just get our gold grid on here. Where's Keeks? Alrighty, Chad, let's just look at the grids here. We went to an event last night where Drickus Duplessis was the guest. So that's why the boys are a little bit tender this morning. I think Ed and Hein is maybe one of the only two guys that could be feeling fresh. I think those Coke Lights were actually a much better choice, Ed. Coke Lights was definitely Yeah, Ed, obviously you're feeling. I like the pic Jave posted with Drickus. What pic did he post with Drickus, Keeks?
Which one's this?
Jave. The Drickus arm
Jave.
curl him.
No. He took the photo with him doing the face off.
Yeah, shame guys. Drickus was like a zoo animal there. It felt like he had a circus, and everybody wanted to take a picture with the circus animal. Guy couldn't even go and pee without people jumping on him. I actually felt bad for him at one stage. But Rickers is a good sport though.
Yeah.
He's one of the few guys that after the event, he actually stayed there. He mingled with the guys. He was walking in and between everybody, had drinks with the guys. So very down to earth. You would think somebody like that would just do the event, jump in their car, go back to the hotel. Almost think he closed the doors there yesterday. No guys, Trickus is tall, eh? Trickus is very tall. Where's that photo I took with Trickus? Where is Keegan? Alright, Chad, very simple here for me today. GJ. All we want to see is a break through this level. Want to see a nice little retest, something like this, and then we will execute. That is literally all I'm waiting for here. Gold. Gold for me is a little bit tricky with how wide this Asia range is, and also already moving all the way down here. NFP. I don't want to say you're going to waste your time here this morning, but gold is going to do very weird things before NFP. So I'll rather focus on GJ. GJ and EJ. What is UJ doing? UJ, very ugly chart. And then obviously you've got GBP USD as well. There's that weekly pivot. Already taking Asia lows. Can even maybe look at taking a potential long off this level if we hold above this weekly pivot level. So actually both the pound pairs looking relatively alright. Is there anything you want to trade, Keeks? I'm looking at GJ.
GJ.
Yeah.
I'll look now.
Geeks Chat Will the Force asking, how do you spot the daily key levels?
On a daily, so obviously it depends. So whether I'm on a daily, weekly, that will differentiate if it's a weekly or a daily key level. But basically, it's just areas on the market where there was a significant impact on the market, where volume or price came in. So, for example, if we have to go look here on the daily quickly, let's just find a chart that might be a bit better. Gold's obviously all over the place now, but let's find one that's a nice one for you to show you. Okay, so for example, yeah, EJ. So when we talk about this daily key level, if we were to do this now, you can see, yeah, for example, it was areas the market significantly did something. So yeah, was your breakaway. That was your break where the market finally, from a bullish market, turned bearish. Again, trading back up to hold it. It held as rejection again. Once it finally broke, it went bullish. Once it broke, it went bullish. So it's areas where literally market was changing its direction. Again, weekly key level, you can see obviously bullish, came back all the way down. Again, this was the area the market changed from a bearish market back to bullish again. So it's areas of significant value in order flow.
Chadwell, I hope that helps. So are you looking, is that your key level on gold, Geeks? 22.85.
That's just a little support area on the, I think it's the 4-hour flip I'm looking at.
Do you want a short or long?
I don't want to go long, but again, it just depends because as I said to the guys, we could hold you and either run for the Asia highs and daily pivot, but at the same time, we could reject you and just come right back down. So I want to go long, but we'll just see if I can get a confirmation, yeah.
All right. Very interesting, yeah, on GU. I think that gold will sell at NFP. Yeah, the thing with thinking now already, price still has a long way to move. So I think it's a little bit early to say that you think gold is going to sell at NFP. I think if we are trading here somewhere and for instance there's divergence on the accumulation distribution here and you maybe an hour before NFP, I think then you can start making claims like that, but before that, like, you can't make claims like that. I know.
Which one are we on?
Yeah, Wall Street sessions.
I agree.
This is the perfect photo of to describe the energy of today. You can see
We can go sit here, bro.
you both.
So just tell because.
No, we took a screenshot of part of the thing we
What
both
could I
just looked like
possibly tell the
defeated,
guys?
like
Yo.
defeated men.
Hey boys. I didn't even know where to start. Hey Keeks, bro.
Yo, what's up?
We're all going through it, eh?
We're all going through it, bro.
But we showed up. We're here. Let me give you guys my analysis.
Come on, boy. You
Yeah.
can do it.
You know, actually, even Justin said it yesterday. It's like, yo, Chris puts you on the spot here. Yes, yes, he does.
This is that moment, guys. This Kate and Mo can run the stream today.
Yeah.
None of that. No.
That's Team C, bro. Mode looks wild. Nah, I'm chill, boys.
Okay, you should die now for the status on your IG of Mo. Translate Africa. Yeah, I did see it, bro. Etty.
I'm hung as well, bro. Oh. Shouldn't I just zoom out?
It's Babalazi Friday on stream. Yeah, bro. It was. We said though it helps with the nerves for NFP. We're gonna be ice cold, bro, when we trade NFP now.
Are you guys even looking to trade today, Keeks?
I'm still debating.
So I took a trade with Jev yesterday. Actually, it was a GJ. Remember, Keeks? Yeah, on my monitor. So we actually took it over here. But I'm not gonna have one of those moments. I'm like, should have, could have. We took it somewhere over here, and Jev was like, it's gonna run.
Where's Jevin, man? It's probably on a side quest.
Jev's on his
Jev's actually on his own little, I don't know if he's on a lesson or a stream or what he's doing. Seeing how small Mo looks on the screen gives you an idea of how big Chris is.
He's a unit, this guy. Anyway, man.
Bro, it was rough.
Oh, dude, you know now when I was having my noodles,
Yeah.
I'm looking at this video, right? I read about it, but now I just checked out this video. That YouTuber I keep watching. So this dude, 2 students, I think it's in Taiwan.
Yeah.
They wanted to do an insurance scam thingy. So what they did is they agreed that the one friend would cut off both his legs and they would claim $1.7 million.
Yes, it's okay.
First of all, that's big risk, right?
Yeah.
And they got caught now. But then I hear the reason why they did it. They did it because the one friend, the one who didn't cut his legs actually, he lost. First he said he was being chased by like gang people and they wanted money from him.
Yeah.
Then the truth came out. He actually lost money trading.
Oh my
Bitcoin.
word. So now they caught and the mate's down 2 legs.
He's down 2 legs, bro.
Oh, yes.
And like insurance scams are not a joke, bro.
Oh, nah, bro, that's... I'll rather keep below the card, sorry, but I'm keeping my legs. Nolan, Judge is also having a meetup with the chat, bro. We actually want to... When we went to Cape Town last week, we actually wanted to, but it was just so busy. So we are planning to do like a meet and greet. We're talking about this obviously at the moment. Our biggest audience is actually Cape Town and then PE. Obviously we in PE, so whoever is, yeah, we can always do that anytime really, but the bigger audience is in Cape Town, so probably the next trip, or when we do like a meet and greet thing, will probably be Cape Town again. Yakuza with the bangers.
That's just Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
What does Bitcoin be doing now?
Let's see. Is it on Chris's charts? Gotta check it out first. I don't even know. Hold on. Switching to your screen, please.
Yeah, switch them on. Bro, you know what's funny, I always think about this. Is over, yeah, everyone was like, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. And in like a week, they probably were all murdered down
Bro,
at a loss.
it doesn't look like big moves, but it's actually a lot, eh?
That is weird. When you think of this, like that was your whole thing. Like that's a big drop that thing had. Like that is big. And it's funny because all these clowns that are buying Bitcoin were all like, it was everywhere. And then the minute this happened, look how quiet it's gone.
Bro.
No one.
Yeah, they're all quiet now, hey?
Because they all blew up. They all blew up.
Yeah, so bro. Took a chunk of your life savings. You're like, I'm in, bro. I'm finally pulling the trigger.
Yeah, guys.
Missed the move, dude.
That's the thing with things like that, bro. Guys always want to jump on the bandwagon, and then it goes sideways very quickly. Ace, bro, we need more people from Durban to join the stream. Yeah, we actually want to do a Durban trip, but yeah, Durban's actually quite low on our audience, funny enough.
Where do you check?
On the analytics and stuff, you can see where your audience base is from. I think Durban is literally like 6 or something. I know it's Cape Town, PE, then Pretoria, then Joburg, and then I think Durban.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't expect a lot of people from Durban to be trading. Like, I don't hear. Cape Town makes sense.
Yeah, Cape Town's a trading hub.
PE makes sense because we are here.
Yeah.
So it makes sense for us to have an audience here, obviously.
Would you come up to Joburg, Pretoria side for a meetup? Yeah. I'm a PE boy living in Cape Town, so y'all come to Cape Town, guys. I can't wait. Yeah, we were just there, bro, but we will come back again for a proper meetup. Bro, tell us how we can help make Cape Town happen. Yeah, as I say, guys, we just need to plan it that when we do the next Cape Town, we were actually saying we will do it where it's like for us, like for 2Gs and that, so not like a content side of things.
What's that, Cape Town?
Yeah, like we'll come up on a holiday, just do meetups and
that
stuff
thing
like
we
that.
spoke about.
Yeah, just be with the community.
Yeah, more leisure than anything. Because
Like we will still film it, like stuff, like make a vlog type of thing, but like just be with the community.
So check this. Yesterday, Justin, remember he was in the office, and he's like, "Hey, how was the Cape Town trip? Like, how did I find it?" I'm like, I'm trying to tell him about it, but then I realized I don't have any stories. Like, we got there and we just worked, bro. So I would love to do Cape Town again, but like more leisurely this time, bro.
100%.
And then, let me ask you actually. I know I asked you, but I don't remember. Let's say we did exactly what we did in Cape Town,
Yeah,
but in Jersey. Would you want to drive there?
bro.
And again, I've driven from
hold. Chris, we're taking the trailer, we're driving to Jersey, bro.
Chris gave a very stern no. He's like, not fucking happening.
Nah, if we go to Jersey, as I say, that's not like content side of things. I don't think then we're flying and it's like chilling.
Oh, we're packing minimally, bro.
Yo, yeah.
This is why people rent equipment, by the way. Can't travel with everything, dude.
Mo, it's because you had to Google Translate all the time.
What's this?
It's in it's true what keys man. It's just a half those cack funny. Yeah, no, it is. Yo, guys.
No, I'm feeling this morning, bro. But actually, I was doing so good. No. I already knocked one thing out. I'm now busy with Garen's podcast, actually. And now that I'm sitting and I'm watching it again, Keeks,
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good. Hey, like, I thought it was good when we shot it, but now that I'm sitting, there's like good conversation. I'm looking forward to getting it out. Like,
I think yeah, they're all gonna be good, bro.
even for me personally, as like someone who's editing it and is like behind the scenes,
Yeah.
pretty stoked.
Guys, please buy Bitcoin, push the price up so I can cash. Bro, you know that's the thing with Powerade, eh? You drink it, and I swear for like the first 2 like 10 seconds after you have that sip, you feel good.
Yeah.
And then you feel cuck again right off.
It's like immediately. I actually have a glass of water by my desktop there. That's gonna be number 5 this morning.
Yo.
And you have to force it, bro.
Yeah. Even the food, bro. That first like meal you have. Oh my word.
Yeah, like it won't go in, but you know you need it. Like it's
What do I think of Euro USD? I can't remember what Chris said about it. I didn't even analyze it actually. I'll look it up for you. Okay, well, my chart is on bearish. Alright, so we actually, again, that's what I said to you guys. Actually, I do, still from analyze, I think on Wednesday. I said to you guys, we are still in a neutral and a daily bearish. Reason being was, even though we had this massive bullish engulfing candle here, we still didn't take out these lower highs over there. If you look there, we still closed underneath. The next day, basically trading back up. I said we can look for this weekly resistance, which again, I think probably hurts a lot of people purely because of the fact that we traded up and then literally a massive rejection from it. So we look at the 4 hour, you have this fake out. As I always say to you guys, it's not a break until it's broken and hold or held the level where it obviously faked out and came right back in. Now if you look at it, you just stepping down lower highs and just carrying on. So where we look at it now on the lower time frames, again you can see this run down for Asia highs. Obviously this is a pair, as I said, got dollar in it, so you're going to see a bit of consolidation come here. So Asia highs untested. So where we are now, I do think you have that pullback to Asia highs, probably even the weekly resistance, make that little high of the day with the wick and the fake out. Then probably trade right back into the Asia range, and I think we'll park the bus until basically NFP comes out. You'll see this is basically going to be the situation with anything that's got dollar in on it for the rest of the day. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm going to take gold. Also, it is above this zone now, but even though it's done this, as I said, it needs to run, and this thing's not moving at all. Even if you look at it on a lower time frame, not doing anything. So, yeah, I don't think I'm going to take gold. Mo, what's your thoughts on NFP, bro?
gold buys, bro. And I drew that conclusion all by myself. With no help from Keegan whatsoever. Nah, bro. You know me. Like, there's 1 month. I think Jan. News dropped, and I think it was NFP. Oh boy, that's the time when I was editing the Trade to Survive video.
Oh yeah.
So I'm sitting in the training room that side, and dude, I was getting smacked, hey. Oh boy, that was so humbling, bro. I just sat there with my account, and I'm like, yo, it was in those early overtrading days, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was really trying my luck. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie. You guys eat a lot of light here, hey? 3 screens, bro, and this box up here.
Yeah, it gets tiring, bro.
And you do it twice a day.
That's why Chris rocks the sunglasses there. Yo. Keys, do you think Nas could go back up again? 100%, bro. You just go back, Jakes, if you wait here in the morning, bro. I did that full analysis on it, but I said to the guys, just in a short summary, I don't see... There wasn't a reason for the sell-off, let's put it that way. There's no reason for it to have that sell-off it did yesterday, so I don't trust it. What will be the impact of NFP on Euro USD? Well, if it comes out dollar strength, Euro USD will go down, and if it comes out dollar weakness, Euro USD will go up.
Yo, Chad, I wish you guys could like feel the energy in the office. Here's the thing. Usually we can hear the boys streaming on the other side of the office. Like, you can hear them, bro. It's been quiet. before we even started, Keegan sat down. He laid his head on a pillow on the ground. And I was just like, yeah, shame. Boys are going through it. I will say I'm feeling a lot better than I was this morning. Hey, Keegs? Like, way better.
I'm glad you are, bro.
Thanks. Thanks, bro. Water.
Hey guys, really enjoying the stream. George, shop, bro. Yeah, this I won't even lie. This isn't our best effort.
But we showed up.
But we here. Night out, yeah, we had a manor aunt last night with the Drickers Duplessis event. Drickers Duplessis. Why does Chris look so tight?
Drinks.
Chris had a lot of water last night.
So,
He's feeling bloated.
So I asked Jeff this. I didn't ask you.
Yeah.
Last night, if Mr. Duplessis said, "Hey guys, 1 million rand on the table right now. Anyone who wants to fight me, but you have to actually win, not just to show up. Would you? 1 million rand, bro. Try your luck."
Am I the first? Wait, hold. Is it like, is he only taking one person or we're all getting a shot?
He's only taking one person.
Wait, what time of the night is this?
Let's say
Is this like when I got you, or is this when I'm like 4 brandies down?
4 brandies down.
Ah,
bro.
bro. Karate water.
Let's go. For 1 million, nah, bro. I would Superman that. Hey, I would try my luck, bro.
How do you guys say hangover in Afrikaans slang? Afrikaans slang? I'd probably just say also gesape. But hey, what would hangover be in Afrikaans slang?
Babalas works.
Oh yeah, bubble us.
Good enough.
I couldn't even think about that. Alright guys, the brain's off here, bro. Like, gesape. Yeah, either gesape or bubble us.
Listen here, Etienne. I would show up. Okay, I've got that in me. Would I win? Probably. Yeah, I don't know, man.
I don't know what you guys talk about. I feel great. Edgar, I'm happy for you, bro.
Good for you, kid.
The bottom line is that you guys showed up 100%. Do you know the best way to get over a hangover, Jex? If you say have another drink, bro, I'm not doing it. I know those guys are like the best way to get over a hangover is just stay drunk.
Dude, I can't stand
I
that.
can't do that, I can't.
Yeah, like even hearing that advice when someone's
Yo.
like, drink more. No, no, I will not be doing that, bro.
Ek sê ek gaan dop gisternaand lekker man. Ja, it went that way. Drink more, yeah. Are you guys in the same office? Yeah, we're in the same office. We literally sit next to each other. Thing they wanted to give back those drinks from yesterday. Yesterday's quote. George, that we didn't answer that. Keys refuse, and there we go, bro. That's it. With a fusion, bro, then the man stands no chance. Mo, but you'd say trickers, yeah. There we go. I think it would be a bubble of regards, yeah. A lot of someone did say, yeah, bro, sorry, I'm like a bit delayed, yeah. Reading the chat.
Let's see.
Oily slap chips with lots of. Actually, that does work.
Really?
That does work. Like proper oily slap chips, bro. Like you go, like go get like the, like, slap chips from like a fish shop, like those type of slap chips. That, yeah.
Not fries.
Nah,
Slap
nah,
chips.
slap
There's a huge
chips,
difference.
Yeah. not McDonald's chips, yeah, everyone. Slap chips.
My thing is really, and it works for me, bro. Oh. Noodles. Noodles and a lot of water. I'll be fine soon.
Is there any other news today, actually, other than NFP? GP, PMR construction, okay, that's nothing too major. And then I have no clue what just happened there, but alright. Yo, guys. Watermelon, fastest ways to hydrate the body. That's actually true, yeah. I've heard people, I actually haven't ever done it, but it does make sense. Because that's the thing when you bubble it's just basically your body's dehydrated.
Yeah. But like sourcing watermelon in the morning isn't really a plan, eh?
Yeah, and in winter. I don't know if that works. Just drink gang water. Yeah,
Thank you,
bro.
Kimshak. That's me, bro.
Yeah, Mo is on like his 5th glass, yeah. Chris
Dude.
is like a 5-liter bottle down.
Yeah, there will be a 6th glass for me.
Guys, wait, hold on. I'm going to move a little bit. Oh, not even me. You can see that. Look there in the back of Mo's shot. All the
No, you've got.
no, but I'm saying liver support, like.
My boy brought the pharmacy here, bro. He's fighting for his life, actually.
Cream
Nah,
sober. Yeah, bro. That is a true general. Hey, you deleted cream sober.
Why would you delete that?
Yeah. It's because you spelled sober wrong. That's why.
Oh,
I'm clicking out when you said that. I also just like thought of it.
cream sober.
Did Chris join Jev on the quest? No, I think Chris is just fighting for his life still.
No, Caitlin's got him.
Ugh.
Alert on GJ. I don't know what Chris was trying to do though.
He wanted to go long, I think he wanted. Yeah, they're taking the weekly pivot. Oh, yeah, so that's what he's looking for. Yeah, I think he just wants to close above here. Then he was going to go long.
Let me show the chat what's happening on Chris's screen here right now. Over here, boys. You want to retest?
Yeah. Any trades? Well, we're looking at GJ now. Might take that. What were you guys even doping? Bananas and some beers and some Jaegers.
And some shots.
Yeah.
Yep. Those shots, eh?
Jägermeister good for upset stomach. Should be good for bubblers too. Yeah.
There you go. There's that advice.
But you know, that's the thing also with me. Like, as much as it's good for upset stomach, I remember when I used to have like bad toothache. People used to always come to me, "Oh, bro, just have a clean shot of brandy." And I'm like, bro, as much as I like brandy clean. Oh my word.
Yeah, bro.
Not
Especially
fun.
when you're not feeling yourself, eh?
Yeah, not fun. I went short on KDB, hoping to hit TP at 5. Sounds like everything you could. Yeah, bro, it was a night, eh? Jed probably moved the Jaeger bombs. Funny enough, he didn't actually.
Who's that?
Jev, him and his Red Bulls. He was actually very chilled.
Yeah, he didn't drink any Red Bulls.
He had like everything we had still. I don't know. Did Jev have brandy? Or was he just drinking beer?
He did. He did. Like close to the end, he also grabbed one of the cups we ordered.
Yes, yeah. Michelle, you guys watching F1 this weekend? Maybe. It's just it's very early, firstly, to wake up and watch that. And I don't feel like waking up like just after midnight to basically just listen to the Dutch national anthem. So I'll see. If Max like maybe he's crashing or doing something stupid, then maybe I'll watch. But other than that, no. 20 years sushi. Jev checker, vodka, Red Bull gedrink. Yeah, Jev is in dad mode now. He has to enjoy doping while he still can. Yeah, UFC 300 next week. Yeah, bro, I'm stoked for that one. Worst thing about Bubba's is the burbs. It's like tasting last. Yeah, bro, 100%. But you know the worst thing is, I always say to guys, like, even if you drink brandy, for the next like day, that whole day, if you even just smell Coke, like your glass of Coke,
you feel it, yeah, bro.
It's like you can smell the brandy.
Yeah. It's a shit feeling, eh?
Don't wake up, stay up, lol. Big one, yeah, bro. Funny enough, drinkers will say, "No, he actually flies out today."
Oh, Drickus, your BFF. These guys were having chats yesterday there. Cool guy.
Nah, solid oak, solid guy. Very, very down to earth.
Yeah, I was telling Jeff there. Shame, they cornered the guy here.
Yeah, bro.
So here's what happened, guys. So we step outside. I don't know. We just like kind of had our first round of auctioning and everything. So we step outside, Justin, Jeff, and myself. And there's Drickers. Poor guy's just trying to go to the bathroom. Honestly. Shame, man. He's trying to go to the bathroom and he gets cornered. And I kept on quoting 2 Chainz where he's like, yeah, I love my fans, but I don't want to take pictures in the restroom. Like, they corner the guy, bro. And he's just trying to go wee, honestly. They cornered him going into the bathroom, coming outside. And then Jeff wanted to get a picture with him and he waited, shame. But then the reason I'm like he's solid is because he didn't get rude, bro. You get what I'm saying? It's just like, yo, bro, you saw what just happened. We can snap a picture later. And he did, shame. So shout out to the guy. Respect.
Yeah. Like, my thing is, guys, like, you don't understand. Like, I always say to people, I don't say it's that they don't want to do it, but you understand obviously where they come from, because like bro, the amount of photos they had to take, like, it's already a thing just to actually be a lacquer oak and just chill and chat with everyone, but to then afterwards, what I'm gonna say, there were, how many people you say were there last night?
Yeah, a lot, dude. You mean queued up for the photo?
Yeah,
a lot. And here's the
bro,
thing,
I'm gonna
right?
say easily that man took about 300 photos last night.
Yeah, so here's the thing that pissed me off as well, on his behalf, and just like being there. So there's like a queue. People are like, we want to snap photos with the guy. Cool.
Yeah.
He gets it. He gets the assignment. So he stood there, and then I think it went smoothly at first, and then these guys started like clamping up on him. And instead of it just being like one photo, we move on to the next. They stood there, bro, and I don't know what they were doing.
They all went like different angles. I still saw there were guys that were like trying to like all wanted the whole time like grab the belt and all that stuff.
Yeah, and it's like, come on, bro, not the time.
Yeah.
So that really got to me.
The gold trade is going perfect. Really? Oh shit! Look at that. Yeah, so I mean, if you guys took that gold trade, there we go. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm probably also, my brain's just taking a while to process everything, so I'm not jumping at things right now. But I mean, the GJ trade, I know this is what Chris wants. Okay, so personally, either you can wait for the retest. Otherwise, I'd wait for a little bit. If it closes here, I just wait for the retest on the pivot and enter. Personally, that would be me.
Was that a sneeze?
Yeah.
Bless you.
Geeks, what do you think about NFP? I think it's very volatile, bro. It's a big news event.
Flip a coin. Jump in. Could go either way.
I'm in gold, low risk. Perfect, bro. Gold clapping now. Hey. Yeah, guys, so there, GJ closing above. So, yeah, basically, if you guys wanted to, I would have said, yeah, you do your normal. There, you can have your 15 pip stop. And then you just aim for Asia highs. So it's a 1 to 5, but obviously you can just make it your 1 to 1. Obviously, if you want to be more aggressive, I'd say look at a more higher time frame. Yeah, your candle lows are there, okay? You'd have to wait for that.
Should I take it?
You can if you want to, bro. But it's that would be the trade for me.
Let me look at it on the 7-minute chart.
What?
It's here on Chris's thingy, man. His.
So that would be the trade, guys. But obviously, I'm not gonna take it. I'm saving my shots for NFP.
Yeah, you guys make me nervous, bro.
I don't know. Chris might have taken it now, but I know that is what I say he's looking for. Keegs, what would your stop loss be for something like NFP on gold? Trying to figure out how to calculate risk. If I have to be real, bro. So if you enter in, like I say, straight after news, so even if it is before and you enter and you in profits, like the minute, like if you see that thing went your way, you go break even immediately. And the same way if you jump in. So let's do it like this quickly. Like let's say you're in gold now. Let's say it pulls back to the support zone, okay? I'd probably say you pull in those things like there you basically buy over here. I'd even say you have your stops basically there, so you still like a 25 pip because remember this thing's gonna be super volatile. The minute this thing even pops off, like let's say you've entered, you enter or it hits your limit or whatever the case is. Once you literally, I'd even say, where's that brush? I'd even say when you like like there, you're ready to go break even. Because the thing is with NFP, this thing must run, like it must go. Because if it starts coming back down, it can literally flip and then pump all the way to the downside. So that's the problem with NFP. It's either it's got to move. So even if, for example, news comes out, again it's here, it pops off and it gives you that pullback, and you buy like here. Like I said, you buy. The minute this is probably even moved like 10 pips, you must go break even because it must just then follow through and go fill the wick. Otherwise, it can just come back and literally flip and move. So it's very, very aggressive. Today, I'm telling you, will be a big one. It's going to be big. So, huh? No, I'm just explaining about NFP. So if you go to you got to go very, very aggressive on it. Just for risk management. Like if you're gonna use stops, then that's how you're gonna have to do it. Otherwise, you trade it with no stop. Cool. Just need to figure out lot size. If I'm wrong, we ain't blowing that cards. Anyone think 3,000 this year? I don't know about this year, bro. I don't. We are in a very, very bullish market, but I don't know about 3,000 this year. Maybe get close, but I don't know. NFP boys. Hey, Jean-Lee. Check out the 30-second chart as well. Don't forget my... Jean-Lee, just let me know, bro. I saw you did message me, but we were at that Mana Aunt last night. That's why I didn't really reply. But whatever the issue was, just let me know. You have to talk about it on the stream, but just did you come right or are you still waiting? Yeah, you're gonna flip and blow my nose, bro. Hold on.
Alright, bro. GJTP, let's see, boys. GJ. This is so funny, chat, because like usually when I'm sitting alone by my desktop, I'm actually looking at the markets. But now that I'm doing it in front of you guys, ooh boy, I'm not even trying to take a trade here. Like I've taken losses this week, but I have journaled everything. I'm actually gonna talk to Chris about it because like I went back to educate myself and nah, man, nah. TP on GJ. Rian, let's wait for Keegs. I wonder if Chris is coming back here. Like my man's done, bro. Yo, so hold on, let me check out the comments here actually. Am I enjoying am I enjoying my trading journey? You know what, bro? Highs and lows. Like, hitting TPs is great. Hasn't happened all too often this week, actually. This week has been frustrating, actually. So I came into this week. I took a break even last week, and then another break even, I think Monday, and another break even on Tuesday as well. So 3 break evens. No TP this week. It's been frustrating, but it's okay, man. It's okay. I'm trying to keep my head up, trying to stay inspired. Like it's tricky because I can't not trade being in this office. You get what I'm saying? Like I can't be like, well, I'm out. This was fun. I'm taking all my money, whatever's left. Like I have to stay in the fight. So it is what it is. But yeah, bro. Like I've only been doing this for like 3 months. So yeah, I'll give myself time. That's what I'm doing. Giving myself a lot of time, taking it all in, journaling. And I'm still fighting with FOMO, bro. I'm looking at this now thinking, oh man, maybe I should have taken it. But I think all the trauma from this week is just like, it's gotten me a little down. Confidence isn't as high as it should be, but it's all good. It's all good. Sorry, give me a sec, chat. Break even for GJ. Let's see what happened here. So I'm assuming you took it at the weekly pivot. Great. If you did, let's measure this out. We already broke. What is this level?
Yeah, I'd say go break.
Yeah, it makes sense to go. Let's see. Where are we now? Assuming
TP on GJ, or it was 1-to-1. Otherwise, Asia highs is your TP. Break even GJ, thanks G's. All good, bro. As I said, so my head's on the mood to trade, but I'll analyze. But I'm not taking it. Mo in the vape.
Mo in the vape, bro. So I got home last night and I'm looking for this vape, Keeks. I'm like, fuck, bro.
Yeah.
I look everywhere. I actually went back to the car. Also, my alarm went off. Like, I don't know, dude. I thought I made it to the alarm in time. It went off. I step outside. This is like past midnight. I'm like, I gotta find my vape. I go to the garage. I check. Nothing. When I step outside, the Atlas guys are there. And I have to explain myself. And I'm like, I'm out of it, bro. Didn't find it this morning. Turns out, Jiv had it.
Why did Jeff have it?
I don't know. But I was relieved though. I thought I lost it.
Yeah. Gold. obviously sniff TP, so that's like going back up. Bro, hold on, wait. Where's this aircon remote, bro? It's cock cold.
Oh.
That's it, Chris.
Mm. Here, hold on. Give me a sec.
Got a Vault Funder account to run some EAs. Oh, okay. Mo, what we trading, bro?
So, didn't necessarily miss GJ. Chris is like, give the guys a trade, and I'm like, hold on, relax here, bro. But we're basically waiting for the retest. Chris didn't execute actually.
Well, I said the other thing was Chris wants the retest of the pivot. That's what I said to the guys when we took it under 15. He never had the pullback. So for me, that was always the thing. I said, even if you go back on the stream, you'll see when I pulled the bar thing, it was from the pivot.
Is this what you guys listen to on a daily?
Yeah. Don't you hear it?
No, the thing is, first of all, it's very soft on the stream,
Oh yeah.
and then I don't know. It's what is this EDM dubstep? I don't think I could stomach this for as long as you do. Actually, you specifically. Fuck, I'm exhausted, man. Shorts on gold. I'm gonna put on some. I'm gonna post this music for now. Eh? Let me try something.
Yeah.
What up?
Right.
Are you feeling it? Shame, bro. Actually,
This man have a stick in your plate, yeah. How do you become profitable in a shorter amount of time?
that's not a good question.
I'm gonna be honest. I think if we actually knew an answer for that, we'd all be profitable.
Yeah.
There's not a golden nugget that just makes you profitable, especially in a shorter time frame. If I have to be like, if you want to answer, then that just means okay. Well, then just win your trades.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Just make sure you win. You'll become profitable quicker. But other than that, there's not like there's a golden nugget or
Like, this week was very humbling, Keeks.
yeah.
I'm saying that because, like, the thing is, remember we spoke about overtrading, right? So every trade I've taken this week, I was like, I believed in it. I was like, okay, this is gonna go my way. But then it's this thing where, like, I'm learning with every trade. There's a trade I think it was GJ. Remember you and Chris consulted with me, and you're like, I thought I was in the clear here, and you're like, the problem is, like, with every trade, it's always the problem with this one is should have done this, and it's like, damn. So yeah, dude, I think it's gonna take time, and I get it now, you know.
Yeah, I mean, we always say that, guys. It's not okay. What's the better question? I just don't know how to phrase it. Yeah, no, bro. Like I said, I'm not trying to be like a rude or anything. It's just the thing is, you got to work with yourself. The profitability comes with one thing. So, firstly, a thing a lot of guys don't understand is you're not profitable. Like, I had this conversation with a few guys that told me, "Oh, bro, but I made 200K." And I'd be like, "Okay, cool, but where's it?" "Oh no, well, I blew it afterwards." Bro, until that money's in your account, you haven't actually made anything. Until you've withdrawn it, that's not yours. It's the same as like gambling. As long as that money's still on the table, it's not yours. So you got to obviously start taking back and start filling your own pocket again. Again, it's the same as investment. You actually need to see the return on it to become profitable. So that's the first thing. Then secondly, bro, this isn't a get rich scheme. We spoke about this on our top trader thing. Everyone has this idea of what trading is. They think it's to get rich overnight, and that's not it. If that's what you think it is, you're in the wrong industry. Trading can make you, and it will make you millions, but it's, put it this way, why people go study to be a doctor to make good money, but a doctor studies for 11 years. Now, why do you think you get to earn more than him and you haven't studied, but you're going to make that in 2 months? It doesn't work. There's time. A lot of this, if you go ask guys that have been in the game long and how long it took them to become profitable, they'll tell you, I was in the game for 2 years, 3 years before I became profitable. You got to learn the ropes. The trades, the markets are different to every single person, and that's purely because we all see the market in different ways. How I look at the market is different how Chris looks at the market. Yes, it's close, but it's different. How I look at the market compared to how Jevon looks at the market, completely different. But yet we both can still be profitable. So I can never give you a straight up answer because everyone is going to see it differently. How I look at something will be different. And that's just why people's strategies can't just be a copy and paste. Because again, I can apply something because I see it a certain way. If you don't see it that way, the strategy won't be 100% working for you. So, it's just a case of, I'm not going to lie to you, bro, to keep you in this industry or to keep you on the channel. That's trading. That's the raw reality of it. You got to bump your head. You got to take the losses. You got to do things because that's where you're going to figure it out. It's a case of, you're going to learn because you're going to learn through failure. You're going to learn this doesn't work because I've seen it not work. This works because it works. The back testing, all of that. So the more, I'd say, if you want to put the hours in, you can fast track it, but you're going to bump your head. I mean, even though we're in the game today for years, we'll still have a time where we still go on a losing streak because, again, that's the markets. But yet we're still profitable. So yeah, I know that's probably not the answer you wanted, bro, but that's the real answer. That's 100% the right example. People need to put in the time they would have if it was a degree. Yeah, 100% Etty, Keys with the facts. Appreciate it, Kickshay. Top track. Yeah, this is a vibey song, yeah. I know it's my TP song. I want to see Naz mount off now. What's Naz doing this year? Yeah. So, as I said to you guys as well this morning, break. Probably going to come back down to Asia highs and then chill out close to the Asia range, Asia highs till news. Just invest time in your trade and learn as much as you can. Everything will come. Yeah. All good things will follow, bro.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I forget about the comments here. Let's see. Someone's asking where Chris is. No, Chris is around. He's in the office. He's just not too good right now. No. He is in fact fighting for his life. Full margin NFP. Honestly, yeah, bro. Okay, I've got my chart here finally, yo. I don't even want to show it. It's so messy, bro.
Oh, let's see Mo's chart.
You want to see it? Hold on, give me a sec. This is what my chart looks like. So let's put this away real quick. Okay, so I've got a lot of things drawn up here. Let me do this. I'll still set in my ranges and everything else. Oh, hold on. Music.
Bro,
Mm-hmm.
just look at that photo. The man's fist is the size of Devin's head.
Hey, he waited in line for that, eh? Shame.
I mean, it's a dope photo, but like, yeah, when I look at that way, the man's fist is literally the size of Jeb's head.
I snapped a bunch, bro. I know Jevin wanted that photo.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying my instrumental keys?
It's a vibe, bro.
I don't even know what I'm looking at. I actually didn't wake up today and think I'm gonna take a trade here. Problem now is I'm picking and choosing these. Let's see. Let's go with Baba. The focus trader. What am I checking? Nothing right now, bro. Honestly, I'm saving myself for one trade today, and we all know it's NFP. I don't know. I'm reaching that level now where like I actually get a little frustrated with the market sometimes. Like I don't know. I've taken enough this week. Vince is asking if the mic's on mute. They're not on mute. We're just quiet and tired people right now. You take it.
Bro, Darren Dix, trading NFP tip. Don't enter before. Don't predict the market, react.
Thank you, bro.
But then you don't enter before. You enter like 5 minutes afterwards. But then why don't they do that? They enter before.
They enter before,
Yeah.
yeah. And that's like
They're the ones that actually blew up everyone's accounts.
yeah, but like
Bro, I even commented on his thing now. I'm like, but then why do you enter before? You give someone a tip, but then you do the complete opposite.
maybe he learned a lesson himself. I'll give him that.
Like,
It's also very low level advice. It's like it's nothing mind blowing. Like yeah, don't enter before, of course.
flippin' idiots. Asses, bro.
But people eat that shit up, bro.
I honestly can't believe it. Hey.
Not Clams Casino. You hear this? Let's see this, Chad. Need it. Hey, Mr. Rattle Fix. How's how's it going? I would blow the whistle, but no. Hey, man. Oh, someone's asking why the stream is so quiet, bro. We're all so tired. We had a boys' night last night. I myself asked why it had to be on a Thursday. It was a Friday kind of function. Yeah, and we are feeling the effects now, hey? So much so that Chris was like, Mo, come sit on my seat. Because I still got some life in me, but the boys are pretty dead. He's in the office right now. Look at him.
Who's this?
Oh no, the boys are asking why the stream is so quiet. Asking for mute. Mr. RattleFix is in the chat.
You tell Ryan why me a little bit.
Yeah, he heard, bro. Like,
What did you tell him?
I told him we had a boys' night that should have been on a Friday, honestly, but we had it on a Thursday, and that's it, right before NFP. Great.
So we could
Bro.
tell the guys to stop telling we don't have enough guys that confirmed.
Oh, I was wondering myself actually. Here.
Yeah,
You're really gonna do it, eh?
We'll do it properly next time.
Yeah, I think people need time. They need to
Yeah,
sort themselves
we
out
can't
for it.
do the day before.
Mm.
But ask the guys that take GJ.
The guys took GJ.
Did they?
Dylan Savage said W. I don't know how many people took GJ. I feel like a lot of people didn't because you weren't here.
No, but I told them they know what to look for. They know what to look for. There's the trade. There's the trade we set this morning. Once we break and hold.
Just minimize that. Oh, GJ's up there. First one.
So that key level was sitting there.
Mhm.
There's your pivot. Weekly pivot.
Yeah,
Wait, where's my chart?
there's your chart.
Okay. So there, remember we said weekly this box,
Mhm.
so it cleared it. On that test, so I literally just waited for a little bit of a pullback. I executed there.
Mm-hmm.
20 pip target.
Almost there. Already at break even, obviously.
Yeah, let me just do the show chat. Chat, just tell the chat there's the trade.
There's the trade, you guys. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the levels marked out, right? So Chris already at break even at this point. Took it
Yeah,
at the.
I did say that's
Mm,
it's nothing new. It's not a new.
setup or anything like that.
It's just a clean break retest,
Mhm.
and then that break of structure there.
Yeah.
There's that minor break of structure. We talked about the divergence. There you can clearly see all of that divergence.
Mm-hmm.
You can see it. We talked about it this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said I like GJ the most.
Yeah, good shot,
We
man.
are about to TP.
He probably
Ask-
already
ask the
hit TP.
chat- Ask the chat who took it.
Guys, who took the trade? Who took the trade? I say not a lot of people. Hold on, let me go back to our mix.
Okay, look, we just close. Okay, there, TP's been.
Oh.
Ask the guys in the chat. Just check what the chat is saying. They
Mhm.
should, majority of the OGs, the OG chat, would
They get it.
definitely be.
They took GJ.
Did they?
Yeah.
Where? I took you. Okay, there.
Mhm.
I took it. Okay.
The
beautiful.
focus trader, W and GJ. Well done, guys, eh? Well done. You see, someone also mute. Let's put this on mute. What's going on here? I have a favorite from mute, actually. Give me a sec, you guys. It's not sale, not lockdown. Un momento. Is it peace? Hmm. Am I alright? I'm okay, bro. I'm alright. You gonna rescue me for a sec?
You can't leave me here. I'm going to solo this. How's the chat doing?
Chad's alright, bro. It's just
Hello.
we are
Yo.
quiet. Hold on.
Quite loud, yeah. Hello. Yo, chat. Throw over there to my screen. So the guys took GJ.
Give me a sec.
Holy smokes, look at GJ.
Still running, bro.
I almost wanted to set my TP, but then I thought again, Chad, that's not my trading plan. My trading plan is to grab my 20 pips and run. So yeah, NFP day, this thing can run. Remember what I said this morning? If you looked at all of the divergences, and I said all of this was news related, but nothing has changed fundamentally. So technically, you could see the yen GJ trading here after NFP and actually breaking through that level. So for the guys, if you've had a decent week, I'm positive on the week, so I'm happy with that. But if you had a good week, even if you had a good week, it is NFP. This thing can do something like this before NFP and then run again. So
take your win.
yeah, take your win. Super proud of you, Modonia. Chris, what's up, bro? Any idea what caused that big move on the markets at night? Bright Projects, it was actually the BOJ. A lot of the officials from the BOJ were throwing comments overnight with what's happening. Sorry, guys. With what's happening. And I think it just struck. I almost want to say this is algo driven. Because remember, a lot of these big institutions have algos that basically react on keywords that it searches through the net. So there's an algo that will basically purely just look for keywords, and it is basically designed or automated that certain words would trigger a certain reaction from the algo. So if there's a lot of headline speakers, so let's call it if not Kashkari, Suzuki, the one guy, if he talks and there's certain words in his vocab that he uses, the algorithm will do a certain task. I think I told you guys 2018 when something similar happened with, let me actually quickly check here. I think it was 2018. Aussie yen had a 700 pip drop in 5 minutes. Let me just go to Aussie yen. And that was purely algo driven. It wasn't to do with any traders or anything. The algo, let's just go daily. I think it was 20. Was it 29? It wasn't 2019. I'm gonna show you guys now. Okay, no, that's way. Where was it? It was almost 600. Wait. Price range. Let's just favorite this for Keeks. Yeah, was it 2016? No, it wasn't 2016. I think it was. But the thing is, the 5 minute doesn't go back that far. But anyways, my why so soft now? Now I'm very soft.
Peaking here, bro.
Well, peaking.
Yeah.
Sorry, man. I seen Naz also last night. Yeah, that dumped. Are you editing podcasts? Yeah.
I'm not editing. It's this. Elizabeth left me a note.
Chad, I don't know why Keegan. This was very clean.
What's that? The gold.
Yeah.
Gold buys.
But the 80 is still bearish though. That's so yeah, you've got some bearish divergence. No, not even mute will pick us up now, Chad. I think like a oily breakfast, coffee, a lot of water, Grand Pass, panados. What do they call those little sachets? Bioplus. Few Biopluses.
I thought you were gonna say rehydrates.
Mate, just turn your camera up. You look like this guy that went with his dad to work. You see? Jack that chair up a bit for you.
I'll do it now. Actually, I want to get a glass of water. Glass number 6.
Hey man, I don't know. This camera makes you look younger and it makes us look older. I don't know. It's either a good camera or you've got some good genes, my brother.
Jeans, brother.
Is that just good genes?
Reminds me of this guy. He twisted his hand on Twitter, and then like I can tell by your hand you're not handsome. Like.
Oh really? Hey, you did the man wrong. You need Barocca. King Shack, you rate Barocca will help. Chad, can we just get 10 more subscribers? This 666 subscriber count is damn. Can we just get 10 more guys to subscribe, please, guys? This number of the beast subscriber count. Literally 10 more guys. Let's just get it to 6.7, please, Chad. This is what I'm referring to. That is not cool. There. Literally 10 more subscribers, if we can do that. Charcoal pills. Hey, and I think just prevention is better than cure. Coke Light. Coke Light or water. Then you don't have to take any of that. Oh, does it say 6.67? Ah, sure. Thanks, guys. Let me just reload here. Thank goodness we passed that number. Concerta, no. Concerta will pique your anxiety. You won't be able to sleep tonight while your body is broken. So no. Okay, here's Keegs. We're doing this relay. So as Keegan finishes pooping, I go, then Mo. Where did you get that from? This morning. Steers or Big Mac? Steers. Show the Chad there, Keegs.
Guys,
Show the Chad
this
there.
is the Holy Grail. This is what's
So-
literally about to save me for NFP. Look at that. Look at that. This is what's gonna save me now, guys.
Okay, mate, you wanna sit here again? Okay. Okay, mate, throw over to your chart. What were you looking at this morning?
Dude, I wasn't looking at anything. You guys put me on stream on the one day. I just happened to be like, nah.
But you said you wanted to chat a little bit about trading. Remember you said yesterday you want to grab a coffee, but I think it will actually be valuable.
To have the conversation.
Yeah,
here
to
now.
have it now. I think there's a lot of guys, and again, don't feel like you have to put this facade forward. You're
Yeah.
still very new to trading.
Give me
So-
one moment. I want to pull up
Okay.
something. I have to run that
Okay,
side quick.
you can.
One moment.
Okay. Just turn your camera a little bit more to you. Yeah, Chad, Mo wanted to ask me some questions. He actually wanted to go and have coffee about it. that's his way of buying my time. He said, Chris, I want to buy you coffee. And I said, what's the catch? And he said, I want to chat about trading. I said, okay. That's the catch right there. Guys, GBP USD also wasn't bad, eh? If you look at this confluence of, check the accumulation distribution, daily S1, weekly pivot, EMAs flipping bullish engulfing there. So yeah, this would have also been a very clean trade. Remember, go back on the stream if you guys haven't watched it. I said the only two pairs that look relatively decent to me, it was GU and GJ was clean. GJ is as clean as they come. You can't get cleaner than GJ. Okay, Mo, you can flip to your screen and then let's chat about that. Let's chat about what you wanted to talk about.
Yeah, so let me I'm going to bring up my trading journals here.
Okay.
That's what I was doing, trading journals. I don't know where to start. Let me see quickly. Bear with me.
So I think that it's only me and you.
Mhm.
Forget the chat. Be open, be transparent, because I think there's a lot of value
In
that you
this.
can add. Yeah.
Yeah, my chat is always that there's more people like me than there are like you and Keegan, you know. So let's see. Let's flip through these quickly. So here's a trade idea. I was looking for sell reversal. Hold on. See, now I'm like all over the place. Okay, let's look at this. When
You must just transition to your screen.
Oh yeah. Give me a sec.
Chad, sorry man, I'm just gonna jump off at 11. Just have a quick meeting, but then I'll come back. Okay. All right. Did you win on that trade?
Did I win on this?
Sure. Trade idea. Buy.
No. What am I? Sorry, this is. I don't know what I'm looking at here now.
That shows a sell.
So yeah, I think I forgot to change like some text there. So here's one, for example. You seeing my screen here?
Yeah.
You see where the mouse is? So I thought I'm gonna get a buy here.
A buy, but it shows a sell.
Hold on. Sorry, Chad. I look
Okay.
even worse than. Give me a sec. I didn't get a chance to flip through these 3 April buy continue.
Did you win on that one? Or was it break even?
Break even.
Okay.
This one, for example.
Oh, but that's the one you took with me. No, that's GJ. That's GJ. Eh?
Yeah, this is GJ.
Yeah, that's the one I told you actually had to trade lower off that 200 EMA.
Mhm.
Check that lower break.
Yeah.
And you would have been fine. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this is the one I looked at, and I think this is the one we spoke about, where you guys were like, "Is this the one where I was chasing price?" I don't think so. Sorry, man. I would have loved an opportunity to organize these, but like, there's a common theme here. So what I've been seeing a lot is I'm either getting the direction wrong, or I don't know. It's like,
Okay, remember, Chad, this is what I told Mo. I said a lot of times Mo takes a extended entry, and what I mean by that is he gets the direction right, but by the time Mo gets in, the pair maybe already moved 30 pips, so there's maybe like 10 pips left in it before it's going to start the correction. So think of it as something that Mo, quickly throw over to my screen. Think of it as somebody starting, I don't know actually how to explain it, but think of something that's building up energy here. And then you basically shoot it off from this platform. So it's gonna have a lot of momentum early on, and then obviously wind resistance, whatever the
Physics.
whatever the frictional losses, whatever that's going to be. At one stage, it's going to decelerate, and that's basically what markets are. It goes from a point of concentration. It shoots into a direction up until it loses steam, and then it's going to try and come back to rest, to equilibrium, which is the correction phase. So what's happening with Mo is, and I don't know if it's maybe the thing of you doing like video creative stuff on the side, and by the time you maybe wanted to enter from here, and now it's like, shit, this is still valid. I had like another break of structure. So instead of catching it here, now all of a sudden it's like you're catching it there. And that is why you're getting all of those break evens, because you're catching the tail end of the move. Where again, I always say, for instance, if you want to buy or sell, obviously your daily pivot key. And if you want to buy, for instance, a high probability buy is this, where it's a daily S1, it's at the session lows, it's close to your Asia lows, it's at a weekly pivot, your 80 is showing you that it wants to go long. So there's a lot more riding for this to the upside than to the downside. So this, for instance, is where you can get that explosive initial move, which is going to allow you to then go break even, and your break even would be safe, because if price comes all the way back here, more than likely it's going to reverse. The same with GJ this morning, that trade there. I was like, for 15 minutes I was watching this after we created that resistance. And if you go, you're sitting on my charts, but I think the key level is sitting here, 190, 105. So ideally, I would have loved to get it as close as possible to this level. But now again, if you go on the hourly, then I actually looked on the hourly. The hourly was also a valid structure break. So there's the hourly. Again, price is fractal. So there you had an hourly structure break. This lower high did not take out that low. So even though all of this order flow is bearish, this is where it paused. And you could have actually even taken it on the hourly if you use the wider stop. But ultimately, the idea was to get it as close as possible to this level. And then once we closed here, I didn't execute immediately. I just waited for a tiny bit of a retrace just to give myself a little bit more breathing room. So instead of being, what is this, almost 12 pips away from the level, I got it to more like 9.59. So I was happy to miss the move if it just ran, but I was also happy to wait and then execute. And that is the idea. You want to catch the move before it overextends. Because now, for instance, if you started trading it here, now there's a much higher probability that your break even is going to be hit, or even your stop, wherever you put your stop. Because this is the session high. It's already traveled all of this distance from the Asia lows. I think this is almost 50 pips, if I'm not mistaken. 61 pips, yeah. So
let me ask you though.
Yeah.
How do you? So we obviously have like an entry criteria, like you're looking at A, B, and C. But how do you tell yourself that okay, I can see an extended move already, like I can see it on your screen, but it's like the criteria to say okay, I'm actually in early here. Are you looking at it as like if you're gonna buy, you try to buy from a nice low, like the S1, for example?
In my trading plan, like I said, for ideal buy scenarios is Asia lows or even below Asia lows. So Neil, I don't know if Neil is in the chat. Your ideal buy scenarios where the daily pivots below the Asia low. Your AD is actually doing this where it's diverging and price is trading below the Asia low. That is almost like your 90% setup. For sells, you want to be selling technically above the Asia highs, daily pivot above the Asia highs, price diverging lower. Those are you maybe get 2 of those a month, but I don't want to say you can full port them, but when you see them, that is like that unicorn, that gem.
Yeah.
It's a no-brainer.
It's funny that you're using the word divergence because I haven't heard you use the word before. I'm sure you've used it. I'm not always tuned in. But
the thing is the divergence trades goes against the higher time frame order flow. So for instance, GJ, if somebody came in here this morning, their first reaction would have been sell, sell, sell. Chad, and you guys can back me up on this. Because you look at this and your first idea is flip. This thing is so bearish. Look at that massive move. I want to get into the sell. And then for us that know a little bit more about macroeconomics and fundamentals, we ask the question as to what caused this move. Firstly. Secondly, this move that was caused, is this a sustainable move? The news that came out, the data that came out, is this going to be sustained? Is it going to have a long-term effect? And for the last 3, 4, 5, 6 months, I've always said I will always fade any news from the BOJ because they don't act on it. It's all talk, no act. So that is why this morning, immediately when I saw this, I was like, okay, everything looks bearish. Your standard retail trader would say, I want to look for sells, but I'm already looking at these areas here, and I'm looking at these areas here where we started shifting to bullish order flow, actually starting to take out highs. And then just for the simple support and resistance, guys, this is a very, very clean level. That is a very, very clean level there that you can see. And then also on top of that, my accumulation distribution, again, don't forget what the accumulation distribution is. It's just showing us the net balance of buyers versus sellers. So if the 80 is going up, it's showing that there's more buy orders in the market than sell orders. So while price was making these lows, guys were adding buys. It's not like they were getting rid of their buys. They were actually adding onto it. And that is where you get that divergence.
Yeah. So the difference between the AD and the RSI is that RSI is momentum, right? But this is like
momentum. This is more. This is also, you could technically say, a momentum indicator, or you can almost call it a bias indicator to show you who's got the upper hand, buyers or sellers. Chat, sorry man, I'll just have a quick 11 o'clock meeting.
Peace. Thanks,
Keeks
Chris.
is ready. Thanks, guys.
I'm alive, Chad.
He lives. Now I'm sitting way too high, bro. This is
Oh, the GJ trade. What the hell was Chris drawing there?
yeah. Get rid of it. He was explaining something to me now.
I was gonna say, what is all this stuff? Where did all of these blocks come from?
Yo, Vince, we can absolutely do that, eh? I'm keen. Just ask Neela if he is, and then we can do that for sure, for sure. So Vince, like, I see you also having the same problem, and I'm sure a lot of people are. I don't know. It's like, I think this goes back to what Keegan said about trading taking time. Like, I actually meant it when I was saying earlier that, like, dude, with every trade, I'm like, okay, so this is what I did wrong. So now I know, like, don't just don't chase price, right? Like, that's one thing I've got in the bag now. I know not to do that. Another thing is, Keeks, you know what's been happening a lot, bro? Like, I'll tell myself, you know what, I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to wait for price. I'm going to wait for it to retrace. And somehow I still get faked out. It's still happening, bro.
Yeah, it's just a thing, bro. Of like, you, honestly, for me, it comes down to the guy. You're scared you're gonna miss the move, so you jump in early.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, eh? 100%, bro.
Who's asking me now? I saw a message there. Keys, why is US30 dumping so early? Okay, firstly, my brother Edio, that's not dumping. that really is not dumping, bro. That's barely moved. So yeah. However, the deposit PayPal and Vault Funder, will I be able to withdraw using PayPal? Did you guys answer that? Trader SA Vault Funder is a prop firm, brother. They're not a broker. You can't deposit anything. And do you, Vincent, or you guys trade the same strat?
Yeah, Chris's.
Oh. Keys, no sunglasses, so you cool, lol. Bro, it's been rough. No, I'm saying the move from last night. Oh, okay, bro. Yeah, so that was basically pricing in. That's why.
So this is what's called anticipation, eh? When you
Pretty
say
much.
pricing in.
Yeah.
Okay. So this happens like maybe, let's say the day before or something like that.
Yeah, the day before or even pre-market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I was trying to make sense of that. So that's when you and I spoke yesterday. You said gold is gonna dump,
Yeah.
and it did.
Yeah.
That's pricing in, and that's also like a confluency in a sense. You say, okay, it did what it needed to do to show me.
Bro,
Mm-hmm.
like, Mo is a witness to this. We can look at, before we even go to gold, we obviously weren't on our phones, we weren't anything. I said to Mo, if my prediction is right for NFP,
We were smacked.
gold will be selling off.
Mm-hmm.
I
You
said
literally
before
said
we
that.
come to the markets, gold will be selling off. You guys, we didn't look at our phones, we didn't do anything. Come to the charts today, what did gold do?
Dumped,
One
my
way.
boy. Melted. I'm full porting it, bro. If it rips me, it rips me. You can pay me back. It's all good.
King Jack, well, we did trade the GJ and the gold, so we gave the both signals there, guys, took them.
You actually did
But,
the most, eh?
Yeah, we gave the guys the gold bar once you close above here, holding this, and then the GJ off the weekly pivot.
Look
So, yeah.
Look at me saying we. I didn't do jack shit.
Vince, that's what I was just talking about now with Mo. So, basically, markets pricing. So, if you look at Forex Factory, we'll see, for example, this. So, the forecast is that they expect it to come out lower. So, what happens is the markets, because they know it's a big move. So, for example, if let's just say it's going to be dollar strength, they will price in dollar weakness before the move, so the day before, whatever the case is. So a lot of the time, for example, DXY, like, let's do it like this, let's go down on a daily. If you're gonna get dollar strength, this, all of this here would be considered pricing in. All of this would be considered pricing in, because literally then, if this comes today dollar strength, this will literally close all that back up. I'll put money on it. This isn't going to be a up till here. It's going to go all the way right back up. So this was all correction, so that it wasn't a case of, imagine dollar traded up the week instead. So now you trade stuff coming down, you traded it up, and then NP dollar strength. Before you know it, you've got a weekly candle flipping like this on DXY, which just can't happen. So what they do is they price in leading up to it. That is why there's certain events, like you can't have certain events days for each other, things like that, because they'll throw off the markets too much. They actually are, they have to be spaced out the way they're spaced out, and in line with each other. So yeah, it just makes it so, again, they'll basically price in, the markets will go in the opposite direction in the anticipation of what the voters' polls are coming at for that news event. So I hope that makes sense, Vince. W explanation, I can't stop loving you, Ketis. I appreciate it, bro. W signals, W with the situation, and then lol. Sure, bro. I still can't understand pricing in means. Talk about Euro GBP, please. I don't trade it, Sam.
What's that?
Euro pound.
Euro pound. But you do look at it, eh?
Nope.
No, you don't at all. I thought you did, bro. You specifically, actually.
I've got 6 pairs. I trade. That's it.
No, I'm not saying you traded, but I thought you looked at it to say, okay, if I'm
like you.
Yeah,
I know it's a confluence. You can.
Yeah.
So for example, if you want to trade either like, for example, EJ or GJ,
Mhm.
then you can go look at euro pound just to see which is the stronger one. If it's
Yeah.
euro pound, then you know which one to trade.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Okay, easy enough. Me and my little diary are gonna note that down. Hey Keeks, I'm done, eh? Damn boy.
I think we are on the same page for gold today. A King Shack. Been here a while, hence answered before Keeks explained. Looking at potential sells incoming for Naz on my side. Ooh. Yeah, as I said, kind of the pullback to Asia highs before news comes out. So again, I mean, it's not a sell. You're literally going to be taking maybe something like literally that. So I mean, I don't know how tight you want your stop loss to be to make that even a 1-to-1. I mean, yeah, but that's pretty much it. Not now, lol. Yeah, I'm just saying, bro. That's the only move you're gonna get now. I think a lot of people want to go with the whole trend is your friend. Now, this is where guys get a mistake. They want to go trend is your friend because of this. That candle right there. Everyone's going, bearish. You took out the lows. You did all this, but wah. Can anyone though tell me why you had this? If you can answer that, then go for it. So again, I understand where people are coming from, saying you want to sell because of that momentum. My question is again from a fundamental side of things, that is sentimental. Why did this happen? Mindset NFP is inverse to other pairs, so it follows dollar, meaning anything that's against dollar, invert. So NFP, stronger NFP, NAS and USD sells, weaker NFP, NAS and USD buys. I have no clue why. Most likely because of Fed questioning last night. Nope. I mean, there wasn't a reason for this. So, you guys, if you were in part of the project, things like that, I have said a few times in the stream as well. If you get something like this, and it's part of it, it's normal, that's the market, so there's going to be things that like this that happen where it dumps and there's no reason for it. Same thing with gold. There's, when we had this big move, yeah, where was it? If I'm correct, it was this one, yeah. Literally opened up and took off. There was no reason for that. And can you see what happened? Let's put the sessions on, doesn't even go back that far for us, yeah. So literally end of sessions. Asia consolidated, right back down. When there's no reason, sorry guys, when there's no reason for a move to happen, again, you got a big event coming up the next day, that's a good chance of pricing in. But if there's no reason and this thing just carried on, there's always a good chance if this thing came up for no reason the markets are going to come back down to close up that that move. The move can't be supported if there's no reason to support it. Does that make sense? I can't tell you I'm up in the price of Bitcoin by double, but I can't tell you why I'm doing that. There needs to be a reason for something to be supported. Remember, you're talking financial markets at the end of the day. So any reason if something happens, if this happens, again, we'll see it all the time with the yen. They what's the name, jawbone the market. They'll make some statement, smash the market down, then again it falls up that it's not true. It's just they're like talking up their currency. Market will literally close it right back up. Same thing. But from the daily outlook, my best bet would be waiting for sells slightly higher. Yeah. I'm like, my thing is, if you want the NAS sells, definitely you can get the sell. I'm not saying you won't, but I'd at least say you're gonna have a pullback till like the weekly supply before you could potentially then get the sell off, because then you've at least retraced to where market was to correct that breakaway move and have the retest of the breakaway move, and if that holds, then you will have your sell off. Then I'd say 100% sells on the table for you. You can see there, this was basically, again, traded up from this zone. You can see this was your support. Trade down, and once you broke from there, this is where you waterfalled. So yeah, weekly supply, you could trade up to, and then maybe see a reaction from there. I'll WhatsApp you my educational book.
Bring it, brother. Fuck geeks. I can't actually tell if I'm getting better or not here. Like, my head is still feeling it, bro.
Bro, I wonder how Jeff is feeling though. Is that man like honestly fine?
Bro, I haven't heard him complain at all, hey? He just seems like he's like a raw dog in the day. Just came in, great. But I think you woke up late, that's the one
I didn't
thing.
say he was late, but yeah. I was just still yelling time. As crack as I was feeling, I was, yeah.
Nah, he said he slept at like 3 a.m, bro.
You know what I love though?
Mm-hmm.
Is Jeff lives the closest to the office out of everyone, and he's always the last guy to get you.
True. True. He is. It's the Uber life, bro. Okay, I'm playing you some of my jams, bro. I love meat, but gotta put them on hold, bro.
Yeah, Byron, the boys are very critical this morning.
Bro, how do you change the volume feeding into the sound disk from the PC? Which one is it? Which one of these knobs?
You're just making that sound so hectic. What do you mean? Do you just want to put the music up?
Yeah.
Channel 7. Put it
Channel
louder.
7. No. It's not too loud, eh? I'm like, I'm genuinely like, that's not a part of the song.
Kiosh, gold is always a safe haven, bro. Kiyosha, also with the stockpile, bro. Remember we said so everything was technically inquiry, unless we got more than 50 guys. Didn't get more than 50, so no stockpile today, brother.
Nah, bro, you know what? The NFP signal has been given. Keeg said gold buys, bro. I'm going in, full porting it. I'm not even joking. Dude, I need a rush. I need a rush. I didn't take anything today. Did I take something yesterday? Yeah. I actually did take a trade yesterday. Minus 10 pips on GJ. So now I'm going in. Gold buys, bro. Keeks, what you gave the signals, eh? Actually, you've given our trades today, bro. I think you've done your job here.
Yeah.
I say we wrap it up. Actually, look at me coming in and already calling the shots. When do you want to wrap it up today?
King Shack, Alpha Markets is a broker, bro. They're not a prop firm. I think it off pass through.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
Yeah. Okay, my bad. I don't know it. I'm with ACGO. after today, I see keys. The what? Yeah. I'm on HCG. HCG is probably the best prop I have ever been funded with till date, better than FTMO in terms of payouts even. Yeah, I don't even know who HCG is, bro. FTMO will still always be the goats, but yeah, I don't even know who HCG is. Not saying they're bad, I've never even heard of them.
ACG.
Yeah.
Sounds like that Nike sub brand. You know the one, hey? You know this brand, hey Keeks?
What's that?
Look at my monitor. ACG, you've seen it before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alpha Capital Group. Keys, we should host a PED pod. I'm only asking because of a friend of mine manages a big venue in Cape Town and they're having an event. Yeah, it's Jason. Yeah. Yeah, Jason's doing his little tour NFP.
Alright, Chad, just wait for the drop. Keeks, put your headsets on for me, bro. I want you to hear this.
Bro, you know what I always find so funny, is these flippin' diehard fans, So I tuned Darren on his little comment thing.
Yeah.
Bro, these guys thought, oh, but it's what? Because he has the experience and the capital. So I was like, yo, experience in blowing people's accounts.
Are they coming for
And
you
then
now?
he's like, yo, do you have any proof of that? Bro, like, you diehard fans, like, I don't feel sorry for you, Oaks, when you get scammed. Because then you're a fucking
That's
moron.
the thing, though.
Like, bro, do I have proof? It's on his thing. Like, go literally look at them trading live and how they blow people's accounts. And the same way when they trade live with them, they entered before the news.
yeah.
Like, just go look at the fucking video.
Well,
Like,
that's the thing. It's like, and they put it on Instagram, eh?
Jesus, yeah. And I'm like, I just think I'm like, bro, I'm not even entertaining you anymore. I was like, go get educated.
Also, it's like, what do you gain from
Like,
defending the guy,
wow.
bro? Jeez. I'm looking for very specific.
I have no, like, oh, these diehard fans, bro. Like, again, like, go get scammed. I actually don't even feel sorry for you.
Since you want it so bad.
Yeah. Wave King said gold buys, that means Nas could also buy. Yeah, that's how it works. Tune name, what's up? I bought my 100k account, Volfund account finally. It's go time. Hey, let's get it, Ed. Let's see, smash it, boyki. Damn, this song, love it. Name is Depth Change by Flume, if anyone else is wondering.
Yeah, depth charge.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna call it a stream there, guys.
Yeah. That was good. That was fun.
There are people I do trade better than what? There are people I do trade better than even they have. Okay. Yeah. But I think, yeah, guys, we're gonna call it a stream there. It has been a long one. We obviously, Marcus, as I said to you guys, can consolidate. Gold, you guys had the buys, and I said to you, probably just range. GJ had off the weekly pivots. TP at Asia highs, so that was another one. And anything else, basically, as you said, gonna consolidate now until market open. So for me, nothing I really trade right now. DXY, as you said, middle of the range, literally, and parking the bus there. So yeah, are you guys back for NFP? No, we're not trading NFP live, guys. Sent you Darren's new clothing line video keys. Oh my word, I'll go check that out now. But yeah, I think we are gonna call it there, guys. My boy's alive as well. He's great. But yeah, I mean, we had Mo on stream, yeah. So Mo, how was it, bro?
Bro, it was alright. You guys had me on today specifically, bro, and I'm like also out of it. And Chris is like, nah, bro. But it was fun. It was fun.
There we go. But other than that,
Yeah.
guys, I mean, we'll see you guys for New York.
One day
session.
I will be a permanent member of the stream because I will also be profitable. I can't be serving you guys losses just yet.
Hey.
I'll show up one of these days.
But other than that,
That's fun.
yeah, no, we will have Mo back for more, guys. But peace and love, guys. We'll see you in New York
Cheers,
session. And
guys.
trade safe for NFP. We gave you guys our predictions. Let's kill it, baby. We'll see you guys then. Cheers.
I'm gonna let this song play out.
Was a weekend on the water. See